Everyone, I'm Diana Capina, 62 years old from San Pablo City, Laguna. I just want to share you my experience upon taking this Guamaran. For all you know, I'm a 5-year cancer survivor of ovarian cancer. And ever since this was introduced to me by Tito Rolly Rile, and through the kindness of Ma'am Marlene Ramirez na pinautang pa niya muna sa akin, ay talagang magaling ang effect. Before, we have 13 steps in the house, stairs. Before I could reach the 13th step, hingal na ako. And konting galaw ko lang, konting lakad ko kasi when I undergone operation, they removed my two fallopian tube, 2 ovaries and cervix. And syempre maraming nawala sa akin kaya medyo parang nanghihina ako dahil ako mapagod. Yes. And since na tinitake ko na to, I feel very strong, energetic, and vigorous every day. Parang wala akong nararamdaman and I could sleep soundly at night. At saka it normalizes and regulates my blood sugar and blood pressure and cholesterol. Inintroduce ko rin to sa daughter-in-law ko kasi she's been complaining of back ache and he could hardly breathe. And because she's skinny. And when she took this, she said, "Mama, ang galing pala nung pinaano mo sa akin. Ang ganda-ganda ng pakiramdam ko." Sabi niya gano'n, wala na akong nararamdaman. Pero before, nung hindi pa siya nagtitake, sabi niya, Mama, parang meron yata dito maligno sa bahay niyo. Sabi ko, bakit? Eh, parang laki mas pagdibdib ko, tsaka parang to, nagpatingin ako sa albularyo, meron daw nakakubabaw na duwende sa ano ko. Sabi ko, heck, kalokohan niya, maniniwala ka, uminom ka na lang nito. Sabi ko, gano'n. Tapos yun, the effect, pagkainom, ayun, tuwan-tuwa siya na ang ganda daw ng result sa kanya. Kaya I thank so much, first of all, Tito Romy Rile, and most of all, Ma'am Marlene Ramirez, kasi bukod sa in-explain niya sa akin ang effect nito, na before parang hesitant pa ako na to accept, isa pa, wala pa akong ibabayad, pero pinautang pa niya muna sa akin ang 5 bottles of this. And from that, thank you so much, Bamera, and I should say this is a supercalifragilistic, I should say, medicine and miraculous as well. Thank you so much, Bamera.